Hey everyone, Matthew Jones from Harker Ceramic Coatings in Central Texas. We're going to be sealing up this freshly polished BMW. Come check it out. All right everybody, today we're going to be installing P2 ceramic-infused spray sealant. It falls between our P1 and our P5, and we're going to be putting it on this BMW right here. Okay, P2 is really easy to use. What we're going to do is we're going to shake the bottle really well. We got gloves on. We're going to spray it directly into our applicator. This is an auto fiber saver applicator. So we're going to spray it right on, and then we're going to put it on the panel, and we're going to work in crosshatch pattern. It goes on real nice, and we've already tested this on other cars, and it has an incredible slickness feel to it. So we're going to do this crosshatch like I said, and then we're going to let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes, and then that just depends on your climate. We have a climate controlled shop here, so right now we're sitting in the mid 70s with a low 40% humidity. You may have to adjust if you find it drying a little bit sooner than that, but 1 to 2 minutes is a good indication. Just a little tip I want to share while I'm waiting our 2 minutes here is I like to overlap panels. So this is not a panel I'm coating the hood, but I like to overlap it. And what that does is it prevents you from having a slight gap right here on the edge of the panel where maybe your applicator doesn't go all the way. If you cross over completely, then you know for a fact it's covered. I like to do that both on wiping and on applying. All right, what I'm going to use to wipe this off is I'm going to use an auto fiber quadrant wipe. They're numbered, and so for people like me who tend to be pretty forgetful, it helps me remember which side of the towel I've used. And I always like to have 2 towels, and I'll show you why in just a second. All right, one of the reasons I like to have a second towel handy is just in case there's a little bit of leftover residue. I got a completely clean plush towel to pick that up, and I use this for my final wipe. This is a Korean plush towel. Get that last little bit up, and then I'm going to show you in a little bit how well this performs. Okay, before we wipe away P2 from this BMW, I'll mention that you should expect to get about 2 to 6 months of durability depending upon weather conditions. All right, I've got an Ego 765 blower here, and I'm going to show you how well that works on turbo mode with Purist P2 on this car. Pretty awesome, right? All right, so if you love that demonstration, you're going to love Purist P2.